The hypotenuse of isosceles right angle triangle ABC is a side of the square ACDE as shown. If AB is 4 units, what is the length of the segment BE? So here what we've been given is AB is 4, and therefore triangle ABC is isosceles. That would mean BC is also 4 and it's right angled. So AC we can say is the square root of 4 square plus 4 square, that is square root of 16 plus 16, that is square root of 32, and that equals AE equals ED equals CD, because they are all sides of the square, so they would all be square root of 32. So we've now found out all the sides. We have to find BE, and so how are we going to find BE? We of course know these are all right angled, they're all squares, side of the square, sorry, right angled. So what next we can do is we join CE. So the moment you join CE, what would happen is you get two right angle triangles, and you can find the length of BE. So what happens is, let me explain this, angles DCE equals 45 degree, and that equals angle ECA. So that is 45. This is also 45. Okay, and being a square and CE is the diagonal, that's because CE is the diagonal. And then you see in triangle ABC, angle ACB is also equal to 45 degrees. Angle ACB equals 45 degrees. Triangle ABC is isosceles, right angled. Okay, so that would mean that angle BCE is right angled. Therefore, angle BCE is right angled. And that means we can apply the Pythagoras theorem and find a side BE. But first we have to find CE. CE would equal square root of root 32 square plus root 32 square. So that would be square root of 32 plus 32, that is square root of 64, that is 8. So that is 8. And this I can say, if I remove the 45 degrees now, I'll just draw it again, and this is 90 degree. Of course this is 45 degrees. Okay, so then CE we get is 8. Therefore in triangle BCE we'd have BC square plus CE square equals BE square, and that's because angle BCE is right angle, is a right angle, and triangle BCE is right angled. So we get that. So therefore BC square is 4 square plus CE square is 8 square, and that equals BE square, and therefore we can write BE equals square root of 16 plus 64, that is square root of 80, and that would be 16 times 5, so that would be, if I say 16 times 5, and that is 4 root 5. So the length of the segment BE would be 4 root 5.